set my spirit free. Won't stop till I reach the ocean. Gonna break these chains holding me.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the Nick's Aviation YouTube channel. Today you can see that I'm actually doing my intro in a car, and you may wonder why. The reason is we're going to Toronto Pearson Airport, first of all, to pick up a birthday present that my mom is getting me, which you guys will have to see in maybe the next video that will go up on the same day, but this is going to be kind of like a vlog, I guess. And today we're also going plane spotting. I didn't get to see the Antonov because it did leave this morning. I will have like an Antonov compilation so you guys can at least like see some of the footage when they come into Toronto. Sorry, my car is bouncing a little. I will get all compilation of Antonov footage in Toronto for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I definitely will. Wonderful day out plane spotting. We're going to be plane spotting on runway 24 right, which is the runway right at the end of AV World. It's where planes come over EV World rather than over a Wendy's, which I forget which runway that is. But I'm excited for this, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, be sure to like it and subscribe to the Nick's Aviation YouTube channel for more awesome aviation-related content just like this. I hope you guys enjoy it, and have a wonderful day. Hello everybody, and we're here. I'm actually on top of the Jeep here at runway 24 right. There's nothing currently lining up or taking off just yet, but you can see there's a nice view of a bunch of 777s and 787 Dreamliners that you can see are parked, as well as 767s. You have a nice highway here, and yeah, I'll take some video once the plane arrives, and it doesn't really look like there's anything lining up, and I'll check Flight Radar 24 for the next few minutes. Alright guys, look at that. Woo! First one just arrived in from Zurich. That's a 787-9 Dreamliner right there. Woohoo! First one. And now holding short is actually a Bombardier Dash 8 400. So that's nice. We got one. Let's go. Bombardier Q400. So we're in the car again, and we're actually just going to be going down that road to see some planes land on the opposite end of runway 24 right and 24 left, which left is back there. We're going to the runway 06 right and 06 left. I will see you guys driving along to runway 26 left and 26 right, and there's actually an aircraft over there that we can't see very well through the fence, but we're gonna try to see it. It's like a smaller private aircraft. Yeah, there it is. Can't really tell what it is. There we go. Very small private aircraft. Don't worry, the video quality will be better on the next one. Just arrived at 6 right and 6 left, and you can see there are a lot of plane spotters, and we have a beautiful view of the runway and the grounded jets at Pearson, and then just more cars. Stay tuned for some more landings. I wonder if he's gonna hold short while something else lands. I don't know. Cause there's an A320 coming in, and the ERJ is just sitting there, kind of. Come on. short. Oh, Mom, other side. WestJet 737. Looks like the 700. Oh yeah, that's a nice shot. Woo! Beauty. Yeah, there's a private, that looks like a Cessna Citation behind it, or a Learjet. It's either a Learjet 35 or a Cessna Citation. Sure, I'll just call your name next time, I guess. There should be an Air Canada A320 coming as well. There we go. He's off. Rotate. Yep, there we go. He's off. Bye. The other aircraft is in sight. No, I wasn't tapping, I was standing up. Airbus A320-200. Air Canada Frosted Leaf livery. Ooh, that was kind of rough. Oh yay, clamshell thrust reverse. That's always beautiful. The ERJ is heading out to Philly. This guy actually just had his 35-year anniversary. Not this specific American Eagle aircraft, but the ERJ 145 specifically. Three, 2, 1, rotate. Ha! Knew it. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect timing on the rotation for my knowledge. Bye! Barrel almost missed this one.
He's wobbly.
We're in the car.
Wow, he's really wobbly. He's like...
Yeah, that's because of turbulence. It's turbulent air. Could also be a result of wind shear. Sorry about the quality on this one again.
He's landing late, isn't he?
Yeah, it's not. It doesn't look like he's landing on the touchdown zone. He's a big one. Look at that. Boeing 777. Yes, I'm standing. Boeing 777-300ER. He's coming in from Frankfurt. This is gonna be big. It's wonderful. Let's just listen to those GE90 engines. Oh, wow. Woo, that was smooth. He's pretty. There's also another guy moving over there. Looks like another 777-300. Looks like he's stopping. He came in from Frankfurt. It's a nice flight. Love to take that on Lufthansa. 787-9 Dreamliner. Looks like he's going out to Hong Kong, but I think he might take off out of a different runway, which is upsetting. I would love to see him take off out of this one. We'll keep an eye on him. He's going to be going out to Montreal. This is an Airbus A319. Woo! Beautiful up close, right? You also got someone landing. 737-800. With split scimitars, that's nice. Rotate. Woo! Perfect timing again. Bye. Have a nice trip. Hello everybody, it's me, and this is going to conclude the first part. For some reason YouTube still won't let me update or upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. I'm so sorry about that. But the part 2 will come out in the same day. Don't worry, everything is prepared. I already tried uploading it yesterday. This video was supposed to go up yesterday, and so was part 2, but I ran out of time in the day, so it's going to be today's upload, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video, and stay tuned for part